Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how spintax works in Pabbly Connect. So spintax is randomized content creation like phrases, paragraphs, sentences, etc. Or in simple words, spintax is using set of predefined words to create different sentences. So let's understand what is spintax by taking an example that you are a business owner and you are organizing a photography competition and you have created a form, that is photography competition form, and you have shared with your participants. Now whenever a participant sends you the entries through the form submission, you want to send them a message. That is, this picture is very beautiful, interesting image, or photograph very interesting, or anything like that. For this, you are creating two sets of words in which one you are specifying interesting, beautiful, amazing, these type of words, and in another set of words you are giving picture, image and photo or something like that. So using these two set of words, automatically a different sentence will get created and it will be sent to your customer or your participant. So spintax is basically using set of predefined words to create a different sentence. So every time a random word will be used and a different sentence will be created and it will be sent to your participant. Okay. So this particular automation is not only for the photography competition, it can be used for any other business related activities where you want to automatically generate a message and you want to send it to your customers. So we are taking the example in which we have created a form using Jot form and we are sending the messages to our participants using Twilio. So come to my screen and let us learn how we can set up this automation and how spintax works in Pabbly Connect. So welcome back to my screen. Here we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach the dashboard, you need to log into pabbly.com. Then you will be redirected to the All Apps section. From there you need to select Pabbly Connect and you will be here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create an integration, we need to create a workflow over here. For that, click on this plus sign and click on create workflow. Give a suitable name to your workflow and a workflow will get created. Okay. So I have already created a workflow over here, that is how spintax works in Pabbly Connect. I'm just going to open this particular workflow. And here you can see that I have already selected the trigger application as Jot form over here and I have captured the response also. Okay. So I'll just take you to my Jot form account where I have already created a photography competition form. So I'm just capturing the details of the customer or the participant who wants to enter into this particular competition, where I am collecting the name, first name, last name, email address, mobile number and the file of the participant. So I have already filled in the details over here and I have captured the response. Okay. So you can find the response over here as first name as Adam, last name as Smith, his email address, mobile number, and here we can find his file also. Okay. File. So not only Jot form, you can use any trigger application over here to capture the response. So now we are going to learn that how spintax actually works in Pabbly Connect. So as I have already informed you that spintax means using set of predefined words to create a sentence. So as you can see that we are taking the example of a photography competition over here. So now I want to send an automated generated message to this particular participant that your picture is beautiful or your entry is very good or your picture is interesting, your photo is very beautiful and something like that. So for that we have to specify some set of words. Okay. So let's scroll down, open this actions tab and now we are going to specify first set of words. Okay. So let's choose the application name as number formatter over here. In the action event, we have to select spreadsheet formulas. Click on connect. Now it is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to specify the formula. You can use any spreadsheet formula to get the results. And here we have a complete full list of the formulas. So you can select the formulas as per your requirement. In this particular use case, we are going to select rand between, that is random number between formula. Okay. So I'm just going to enter the formula over here as choose a random number between, for that R-A-N-D, rand between. So choose a random number between 1 to 4. Okay. And we are giving the values for these particular numbers. So for the first number, the value should be interesting. Okay. Then for the second number, the value should be beautiful. For the third number, the value should be nice. And for the fourth number, I am just giving a blank value over here. So if you don't want to use all of these three words, the blank value will get generated. So let's check this, whether this formula is working or not. For that, let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here in the response, we have got the result as nice. It means the third number was randomly picked between these four numbers and the value was picked as nice. Let's check it once again. This time the blank response is generated because we have given the fourth value as blank. Okay. Now let us check it once again. Again a blank response. This time again we have got the third response. So you can see that randomly a number is chosen between these four set of numbers. Okay. And randomly we are getting the response over here. And this time we can see the response as interesting. It means number 1 is chosen. So in this way, this particular formula works, that a random number is chosen between these set of words, okay, and the value is picked in the result. So now we have set the first set of words. If you want to give some more words, you can just change the values from here. You can give the numbers from 1 to 8 or 1 to 10, or you can just specify the values over here. Okay. So the first set of words is ready. Now let us set the second set of words. For that, click on this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as number formatter once again. Again, select the action event as spreadsheet formulas. Click on connect. Now again we have to set a formula over here, that is choose rand between. Choose a random number between. And here we are going to specify the set of words. Okay, I have to make N capital. Okay, between 1 to 3 this time. Okay, and let's give the values over here. So for the first word, it should be picture. For the second word, it should be a photo. Okay, I have not given the apostrophes over here. Okay, and let us give it the third picture as image. Okay, so we have set the words for both the three numbers, and let's close the bracket. So if the value, the first number will be chosen, then the value would be picture. If the second number will be chosen, then the value would be photo. If the third number will be chosen, then the value would be image. So let's check this. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the result as picture. It means number 1 is chosen. Now let us check it once again. Again, picture is chosen. This time we can see that number 3 is picked, and here we have got the result as image. So in this way, a random number will be chosen between these three numbers and the value will be displayed over here. So we have specified two set of words over here. Okay, we have given the word as interesting, and here we have got the result as image. Okay, so here I have specified just two set of words, interesting picture or interesting image. If you want to specify a complete sentence, you can just add some more number formatter action steps over here, and you can just specify the numbers and the values over here. Okay, so now I want that using these two set of words, automatically a message should get generated. For that, click on this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as text formatter. Select the action event as text basic formatting. Click on connect. Now here we need to give the string that needs to be created. Okay, enter any string over here. So we are going to map both these values over here, that is interesting as well as image. So I am just going to give it as it's a, let's map it from number formatter, interesting, and then the second value, that is image. It's an interesting image. So in this way a message will get generated. Okay, now here we have to select the transform. So let us give it as trim white space. Okay, so whenever a blank response will be generated, it will trim that particular white space. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the result is ready. it's an interesting image. So in this way, it's a beautiful image, it's a wonderful image, or it's a nice image, or a nice picture. In this way, a different type of messages will get generated. So next time, whenever the random number will be picked, automatically a new message will get generated. So I don't want to send same message to all my participants. I want every time a new message should get generated and it should get delivered to my participants. So a random message will get generated over here every time using these set of words, okay, which we have specified in the formula. So now I want to send a message to my participant. For that, click on this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as Twilio. Select the action event as send SMS message. So here I am selecting the application as Twilio for sending the messages. So if you want to send a message, you can use Twilio or WhatsApp also. If you want to send a mail, you can choose Gmail, or you can choose any action application as per your requirement. I am just giving this example of Twilio over here. So let's click on connect. Click on add new connection. That is asking for the account SID and authorization token. So let's move to my Twilio account. So this is my Twilio dashboard. When we scroll down here, we can find the account SID as well as the auth token also. So I'm just going to copy it from here and I'll be pasting over here the account SID as well as here also. And now the auth token is required, that is authorization token. So let us again come to Twilio, copy this auth token from here and I'll be pasting it over here in Pabbly Connect. And let's click on save. Authorization successful, and now the Twilio account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we need to give the body of the SMS. What should be the message you want to send to your customer? So let us give it as hello. And I'm just going to map the name of my participant, that is Adam Smith, first name as well as the last name, which we have got from our jot form response. Hello Adam Smith, we have received your submission, and after that we are going to give the message that we have got from our text formatter, that is it's an interesting image, okay, and at last give it as regards Pabbly. Okay, so in this way the message will get delivered to your customers. Now here we have to give the sender number, the approved sending number in your Twilio account. So here you can see that this is my approved sending number. So I am going to copy it and I am going to paste it over here. You have to enter your sending number over here. And here we have to give the recipient number who is going to receive the message. So we have already got the number from the jot form response over here. So we are going to map this number now. This is the mobile number of the participant. So let us map the recipient number from jot form response. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means our participant has received a message on his mobile number. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can see a new message notification. I'm just going to open it. Sent from your Twilio trial account. Okay, hello Adam Smith, we have received your submission. It's an interesting image. Regards Pabbly. So in this way we can see that a message is delivered to our customer and our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let's save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Jotform and Twilio, you can use any applications to create this particular automation. Now let us check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my photography competition form once again and I'm going to fill up the details on the name of some other participant this time. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya11@gmail.com. Let's give the mobile number over here. Let's upload a file. So I'm just selecting any of the random image from my system. Okay. And let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. So the form has been filled. Now let us check whether the customer has or the participant has received any message or not. Okay, and here we can see a new message. Hello Shikarya, we have received your submission. It's a nice image. So here we can see that a new message is generated over here. Okay, and it is delivered to the customer. Regards, Pabbly. So in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize all the action steps as well as the trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the participant whenever a new response was received. Then we have used the number formatter just to specify the first set of words. And for the second set of words, we have applied the number formatter once again. And using both these set of words randomly, the values were picked, and using the text formatter, we have generated a message. And in this way, the syntax works in Pabbly Connect. And we have delivered that message to your participant on his mobile number using Twilio. And in this way, we have learned that how spintax works in Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.